Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be installing a universal lip on the Acura TL. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the universal lip that I got was an all fit. The reason why I went with this is because I did have a good experience with this beforehand. I applied it to the Honda Accord and then for my friend's Accord. It gives us such an aggressive look. And plus it comes with everything that you need for this. And so it comes with the lip. I got this, I purchased this one that's like the whole entire thing. So it comes with the whole entire thing for the front, side skirts, and rears. And then it comes with screws. Let me adjust it really quick. Comes with screws. And then stickers, of course, for you guys that love stickers. And then Instagram note. And then over here, alcohol pads and 3M adhesive pads. Even though the 3M on here is already applied, this gives it a much more beneficial for it to be applied. And it comes with instructions right there. And then over here they give you a glove. So you're pretty much set for everything, and it's pretty simple. It's very universal, it's flexible, easy to apply, and it just needs a lot of cutting. That's all I'm gonna have to say, just a lot of cutting. So there's the instructions right here. So let's get started. So this is how you guys should be mounting it with the proper screws that they came with. And you make sure you guys have this proper drill bit that is smaller than the screw itself. So when you apply it on, it won't be loose enough to take it off. So basically, as the hole is smaller than the screw, it will basically grip onto the to the lip or the bumper even better. So this is how it looks, and this is a 1.5 inch right here, and this is a 1.5 inch difference of a lip. And I've seen people that ran a 2.5 to a 3.5 on this, and I just personally think it's just way too big for what it is. So 1.5 is pretty much the best benefit, and it's very flush. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the car, and then you guys could do this to the same process to the side skirt or the rear bumper or rear lip, however you guys want. So this is practically the process, and I'll show you guys the results with it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Today was actually a pretty simple install because it was just mainly cleaning up and then just lining up, install it, or just basically stick it in and just install it. So I do have a lot left over right here, and comes with a lot of offset stickers, these ones. So so if you guys are planning to put this on your car, I highly suggest it if you guys are looking for a cheap universal one that basically complies with your own curves and everything like that. So basically for the 06TL, that's how you install it. So if anything, I'll drop the link for this item down in the description, and see you guys in the next video.